Super excited about everything that has been going on with Lakeflow. I've been a critic before at Delta Life Tables, and I love what the team has done now with Lakeflow.
You can already now see that agent revolution, what is happening. You already have data in Databricks, and soon you have your agent army as well in Databricks. So
lake-based, it's really hard to bridge that gap between the operational experience and the analytic experience. Being able to do it in the same platform seems really cool.
Capabilities with OLTPs in building out like AI agents.
Definitely lake-based. I've been working on building apps on Databricks, and that's going to make it so much easier now.
Databricks is now free, available for free. Going to build a lot of amazing application agents on Databricks.
So I have two clear favorites. The first one is, of course, the free edition of Databricks. I've tested it out myself. The second one is lake-based. I'm a data warehousing nerd.
Thing is very fantastic. I saw a lot of product maturity in what was being announced, so I really appreciated that.
I was like, finally, so cool things are coming.
Honestly, short story, I thought they were pretty great.
I want to try Designer.
I think there's a lot of good that came out of today, and I think it's going to make a lot of people's lives easier.
Engineer in me is extremely excited about what the convergence of like an OLTP and OLAP could mean.
Wonderful time. Got to meet a lot of people in person. It's been buzzing. It's fire.
The most exciting part about the Lake-based is the fact that it's possible to branch out a database. It spins up, and the only thing you actually pay for in the branched out database is the data difference between them.
I'm so thrilled what is happening now.